Sometimes late when things are real and people share the gift of gab between themselves. Some are quick to take a bait and catch the perfect prize that waits on the
Kuya,
shelf.
parang pa kayo mag-lighter.
But Oz never could give nothing to
Kuya!
that he didn't already have. And cause never was the reason for leaving.
Ay, kuya, pwede pong ano, tawagin
For the Tropic of Sir Galahad. So please believe in me when I say I'm spinning round, 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 round. Oh, I stay right up, if it's going down, 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 down. So certainly.
Wait lang, me! Okay na, mami! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pagdating ka, mami, nawala yung ilaw. Okay, wish ka mo naman. Go.
Well, she's kind and pretty, drives a big car too. And when I hold her in my arms, I never know what to do. She's got everything she needs, what does she need me for? Just a crazy fool, coming back for more. And I know she's not good, can't blame her, but I know I should. Everybody says, oh, watch out, boy, she'll break your heart like it was a toy.
Huwag mo nang kainin niya, talis na tayo. So, this is our gift kay Mommy from both of us.
Yeah.
Bubukas lang kami, kayo naman. Ng gift ng dalawa kasi sinurprise ako kanina madaling araw. Doon sa biyahe, kunyari bibili ng nagpatigil si Lyden, kunyari bibili ng kape
Namatay
sa McDo,
kasi.
pero wala
Wait,
naman.
dandahan ka naman sis. Makita mo naman.
Box lang to.
Uy, totoo yan.
Mikana.
Okay. Dito.
Ano ba yan? Ito naman pala. Open sesame. Open sesame! Mikana. Ano nakalagay? Thank you po.
Wala yung palinis lang. Wala din.
To Mommy from Lyden.
Wala.
Ano to?
Wala din yan. Wala din.
Propaganda, promotion. Happy
Birthday.
birthday, Mommy. Ganito galing.
Sa kay Tin.
Galing po ito sa bunso kong anak.
Ginawa lang.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Ang daming stapler. Ano kayang laman?
May
Wow! May pa-bracelet po siya. Kaya lang di pa po ito ginupit. Dalawan to. Kaya suotin na po natin. Mommy. Okay. At may love letter pa po siya. May pa-surprise po kasi ang dalawa kong anak. Nawawala kasi yung isa kong ampun na si Kian. Dear Mommy, happy birthday. Lagi ka pong mag-iingat. Love po namin ikaw. Thank you po lagi sa inyo. Sa inyo po kami.
Sige, basahin mo yan.
Thank you. Lagi ninyo po kami binabantayan ni ate. At hindi po pinapagutom. Ano yun? Hindi pinapagutom. Happy birthday po ulit. Love you po. Tintin. Hindi ko daw sila ginugutom kasi ubos na ang aking stock. Ito naman po ay kay ate. Gift. Wow, may padalawa. Ito po yung katas ni Suarez. Charan!
Ang daya nung ano.
Ay, open ko lang po. Meron po siya. Cute naman. Kaso, may nagsiselos na agad.
Hindi po, madaya.
Parehas kami.
Yan.
Kasi magka-brand tayo.
Magka-brand kami na.
Ito, mami.
Yan na po siya. So, ano po dapat natin gawin? Tanggalin po yung isang kwintas at isuot po yung regalo niya. Tama ba ako?
Kaya wala na akong pera eh.
Ay,
Naubos.
nagreklamo po na wala na siyang dato.
Ay.
Next.
Ayusin mo naman, sis. Mahal na ito.
Wow, may kapay na hikaw. Alam na po niya wala na akong hikaw.
Meron, mami.
Ano po kaya ito? Pwede?
Pwede to.
Charan! May kapay na po siyang hikaw. Pero dapat po may kapay din bracelet.
Ayun kay Christine, ah.
Ay! Ang kapay po palang bracelet, eh, ito nga po pala.
Si Christine nga gumawa.
May
Wala
mami
kasi
nga
kaming
po
budget.
pala. Dahil wala daw pong budget,
O, diba? Ang pretty niya.
nanggawa po ang aking bunsong anak. Thank you!
Ano,
Kiss.
picture muna tayo. Picture muna tayo. Picture muna tayo together. Tignan mo nga to. Tsaka to.
Thank you.
You better save it for a rainy day. You better save it for a rainy day. Well, I'd leave in a minute if I only could. But when she touches me, it makes me feel so good. When my heart's in her hands, this is sure a mess. There's no way I say no when she says yes, yes, yes. Take me, shake me, and tell me this ain't a dream. Everybody says I'm watch out, boy. She'll break your heart like it was a toy. You better save it for a rainy day. You better save it for a rainy day. Save it for a rainy day. You better 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 save it.
Here sa Igorot Store. It's me and my mommy. Happy birthday! Thank you!
You better save it for a rainy day. How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved.
Hi guys! Nasaan tayo ate? Nasa Mirador kami guys. Ayan! So nagha-hiking kami na ito yung Mickey.
There you were.
Kakapagod guys. So pupunta kami sa dun sa may bell tower.
Thank you, baby. I
Kakahingal.
Thank you, baby. Yes, I do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Feels so fine. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I close my eyes at night wondering where would I be without you in my life. Everything I did was just a bore. Everywhere I went, seems I've been there before. You're right enough for me all of my days. The love so sweet in so many ways. I wanna stop.
Ito tapos balihapan tayo ng thank you so much.
Pizza, yeah? Mami.
Whoa, yeah. You were better to me than I was to myself. For me, there's you, and there ain't nobody else. I wanna stop. Thank you, baby. I just want.
Ganda ka lang, sis. Oh my God, hindi pala. Akala ko naman picture.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. Oh, now, how sweet it is to be loved by you. It's like jelly, baby. Oh, now, how sweet it is to be loved by you. Just like honey to the bee, baby.
So, hi guys! Nasa Baguio pa rin kami. Tignan mo yung view! Alam niyo kung anong gagawin namin? Hulaan niya. Meron spoon.
Babe, ka dito. Babe. Here.
Meron spoon. Ano kayo kakainin namin? You're right, it's yogurt. Nagpa-bunso. Kaya napabili ako.
Hindi ako fan ng yogurt, so we're gonna try it. We have two, pero
Pero pang bukas.
because she wants na tigisa kami, but we're just gonna share. Naulan pala, babe.
Ay,
Ano? Wag mo titikman agad.
hindi natin ito.
Eh, ganun talaga. Careful ka lang kasi. Okay. Majali na ba siya? Let me, ako na please. Throw mo dun.
Okay, tanda po wala ate. Ayan nga, guys!
Alam naman nila kung anong mixture na ng yogurt. Sige na. Ana, suman kita. Big bite. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Hindi ako fan ng yogurt, so.
Okay.
Asang jelly is lang to eh.
Hindi yan dyan eh.
Asin?
This is good, right?
Okay, so mag-ask tayo ng few questions. This is Q&A with Tin. So, first question. Kamusta naman ang Baguio?
Malamig.
Malamig? Kamusta naman ang first day experience mo here sa Baguio?
Second experience na eh.
This is my 5th time here in Baguio.
Wow.
Ikaw, kamusta
Yan nga po,
experience mo?
naka-jacket ako. Ang lamig eh.
So, kamusta nga? Sinagot mo ba? Like,
Okay lang po.
no, nawawalan siya ng energy from time to time. Nakikita ko, wala energy si Tin. Okay lang, naging sad naman si ate. So, same lang tayo.
Yan guys.
Bye-bye!
Wait, may tatanong pa ako sa
Sige, one question sa akin, tas ito, so nag-ask ako about sa Baguio, tapos ito, ask mo ako one thing.
Gaano kasalap ng yogurt?
Oh my God. Akala ko sobrang lalim. Okay lang. Hindi talaga ako fan ng yogurt. Alam mo yung iniinom, alam mo yung Dutch milk? Hindi ako fan ng Dutch milk eh. More on chalky girl ako. So, yan. Okay lang. Nothing special. But I wouldn't say na hindi ko gusto. It's just, hindi ko to bibilhin. Alam mo yan.
So, meron pa ako tatanong.
Wait lang. We're trying everything na strawberry.
Yeah. Yeah.
For tomorrow morning, we're gonna have
Ice cream strawberry.
strawberry taho, babe.
Ay, ice cream strawberry din.
Next pa yun, next morning. Ano na yung last question mo? 3 minutes na, 4 minutes na to. Go! She's my buddy ngayon sa Baguio. She's my best friend. Bye-bye. Ano, may question ka ba ba?
Yeah.
Last na.
Gaano kalaki ng bagyo?
Ha?
Gaano kalaki ang bagyo?
Since capital of the city, and look at the view. I would say...
500 ml.
Babe, ML is water, liquid.
I know.
Bye.